Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Buffer for content calendar optimization step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Buffer website at buffer.com. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button in the upper right corner. Click on Get Started to proceed to the sign up page. You'll be presented with options to sign up using your email or a social media account. Choose your preferred sign-up method and enter the required information. After submitting your details, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Buffer website to continue setting up your account. Now, you'll be prompted to connect your social media accounts. Select the platforms you wish to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Follow the authentication prompts for each social media account. Once your accounts are connected, navigate to the Content tab in the Buffer dashboard. In the Content section, you'll see an option for a content calendar. Click on the Content calendar to begin planning your posts. In this calendar view, select the date you want to schedule a post. Click on the plus or Schedule Post button to create a new post. Compose your message, add images or links, and customize your post. Choose the specific time you want your post to go live. Once complete, click the Schedule button to finalize your post. You can repeat this process for additional posts as needed. To review all scheduled posts, return to your content calendar. Here, you can see an overview of your planned content. Make adjustments by clicking on any scheduled post if necessary. To optimize your posting times, use Buffer's analytics to analyze engagement. Adjust your scheduling based on audience activity and engagement metrics. Regularly check your content calendar to ensure you're on track with your posting schedule. Continue to refine your content strategy using Buffer's insights and features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.